and welcome to French Ride Trains. Today we're going to be doing something a little different, and we're going to be building this high rail pickup truck here. And this particular one I built is a CSX one, but you can make it any railroad you want, as most of them are white pickup trucks here. So this is what it looks like, and let's get right into this build. So the first step is to take out some black wool for our tires, and we'll get one on each rail. Then on the upper hip box in the middle, a polished andesite slab, and 3 slabs across the front here. Then we'll do our rail wheels, so we're going to crouch in front of this and put an inward facing dragon head on either side and a dark oak fence gate in the middle like that. Then we'll come back behind these tires and go back to polish andesite slab on the upper hip box here, and we'll make a line of 6 coming back, and then fill that in so it's 3 wide. Then behind that, black wool on either side for the back tires, a slab in the middle, and 3 slabs across the back. Then we do the rear rail wheels, so an inward facing dragon head on each rail again back here, and a dark oak fence gate in the center. Come up on whichever end you want your front to be. On the center, 2 deep slate tile slabs and a forward facing smooth quartz stair on either side. Then an upside down outward facing smooth quartz stair behind it on either side above the wheels, and a smooth quartz block in that middle. Then we'll run smooth quartz blocks up each side, stopping before this tire. Then an upside down stair above each tire again, 3 across the back. And actually, this back middle one will change to a stair for the tailgate. Then we're going to take a stone button and put a stone button on the side of all 4 tires here on each side. Then come up here in the middle of this front and do a fence gate for a steering wheel. Turn around and put 2 stairs like this to be the seats. Then across above this fence gate, we're going to do 3 black glass, 2 black stained glass panes on either side behind it, and then a smooth quartz behind that on each side. Then a black stained glass pane in the middle here, and a smooth quartz under it down there. Then, back here, put 3 stone brick walls. And we'll actually put one on the bottom middle under here as well. Then in the bed of the truck, a chest and a brewing stand. Up here, another brick fence and a lantern on it for a caution light. Then we're going to come on the side here, put a warp button, then a birch sign with CSX. Hit that with blue dye and a glowing sack. And you can make this any railroad you want. Norfolk Southern uses black lettering. And we're doing the same thing over here. A sign with CSX, blue dye, and a glowing sack. Then right here on the back, a main growth button here and on this side. On the back middle, we'll do another birch sign with CSX. Go ahead and hit that one with blue dye and a glowing sack. Then we'll come up front on the middle, put a warp button. On the side of this stair here, an acacia sign, one on this side. Then on either side of the front, a glow item frame with frog lights in them for the headlights. Then we'll cover the top of this with 2 rows of white carpet. Then we'll come up here, cover these middle gaps with trap doors. And then we'll cover the whole top of this cab, 3 wide and 4 long, with white carpet. Then there'll be some tool racks on the back. So on either side back here, we're going to put 2 stone slabs like this. Then a glow item frame on either side back here with red stone blocks. Then down here in the middle, we're going to put 4 dark oak signs. And we'll do the same thing on this side. In the middle down here, 4 dark oak signs. Then on this side, we're going to put a stone button right here for the gas cap. Then right here, put a temporary block and put a wither skeleton skull on top of it with a lever going up into it. Same thing over here, a temporary block with her skeleton skull. Take out the temporary block, put a lever going into it here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our little high rail pickup truck here. Like I said, you don't have to make your CSX, but most of the railroads do use white trucks. So I hope you enjoyed this little build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.